Dive deep into the trade I took. This UUSD trade setup I took, right? So this is the before trade setup I had. This is the before and UUSD after. The before and the after. Let's dive deep into how I took this trade. Let's go deep into it, how the reason behind this trade. Right. So first of all, let me go to UUSD. Okay. So on UUSD, there's a trade. Right. Let me first off on the monthly time frame. First off on the monthly time frame. Monthly time frame, right? First off, everything should start on the monthly time frame. So on the monthly time frame, what do I see? On the monthly time frame, if I should not go any far way behind, right? What I see currently is that we have had we are currently in what this downward channel to the downside. There is a current channel we find ourselves in, right? On the monthly time frame, we are moving to the downside. So overall, we know that market is supposed to what? Trade to the downside. So from here to here, right? There's a expect another move from here somewhere like this, somewhere here, right? So presently market should come around here, right? So market is halfway through it. It went back. We expect market to bounce off back to this side. So current market is there, right? So around here is the move you are expecting to capture on the overall time frame. So overall bias is that Euro USD is currently in the downtrend, right? Euro USD is currently selling off. Now let's go to the weekly time frame. What do we see on the weekly time frame? What's the weekly time frame also telling us? Now from the weekly time frame, we can see that when it gets close to here, where it become our interest, right? Our area of interest. Here's our area of interest. What do we see here? What we see here is what? A nice change of character on the weekly time frame. Coming. And very nice change of character on the weekly time frame. So we see this nice change of character happening on the weekly time frame, right? That's not the only thing we can see or we can spot on the weekly time frame. To give us further confluences, right? To give us further conviction, we can see we have this nice downward channel forming also on Euro USD on the weekly time frame. You can see that one. So on the weekly time frame, what do we see? We can also see that USD is nicely in this channel. If I should zoom in a little bit, you can also see that there is a nice right downward channel over here. Very nice downward channel over here. Now fast forward, let's go on to the daily time frame. When I went on the daily time frame, another thing I saw on the daily time frame before I took this trade was that we're in what a rising trend, right? Somewhere here. This was a trend I came to meet earlier on. There is a trend I came to meet earlier on the daily time frame. Now let's move to the 4-hour time frame. That's why I took my entry. In the 4-hour time frame, what did I see? I saw that market was giving me a series of higher highs, right? Higher highs and higher lows, which indicated that we're in what in an uptrend. But I knew the overall direction for us was what for us to go to the downside. So all I had to do was just to wait for market to give me this very confirmation for me to enter to the downside, right? For me to enter to the downside. For me to enter to the downside. That was all I was waiting for it to happen before I enter into the market. And finally enough, it's happened here. We had this nice change of character. I based my entry criteria first to see what a change of character. So we had this nice change of character happening here, right? We had this nice change of character which happened here, very nice one, right? From there, what happened was what you have this nice retracement. So taking from the top to the bottom here, you have market retracing to about 50%. So for me, my target is around 50%. So my point of interest is around 50%. So this was my point of interest. right, around this side from here to here, which was a 50% retracement. Now, when market came here into the 50% retracement, what I anticipated to see, right, was this bearish momentum coming into the market. So we had this nice bullish candle, another candle here, another bullish candle here, and then what we saw again was a bearish engulfing. Unfortunately, I couldn't enter here, so I had to wait for this candles to close, right? My final entry was here when after this candle closed here. I sent the signal around here, but I didn't take it. At 9 a.m. the next day, after time where I entered my stop loss slightly above that candle, my initial take profit was 1:3. 1:3, right? Around 1:3 exactly. Then now I'm allowing the rest to run full TP. My final TP actually is missing a change of character. Right, it's happening. I'll take my final TP. If not, and if that not be the case, then I'll be targeting around here because I know that for sure market is in this downward channel and then it's supposed to respect it. If market break here without giving us another reversal, I'll be what entering off from this side. And that's it for the Euro USD trade I've taken this week and this month. That's the only trade I took. It gave me around 2,100 USD dollars, and I'm very happy about that one. Currently, I can say I've finally been able to close a month profitably, right? I'll be buying a 5K challenge account, which I'll be documenting how I'll be able to pass this challenge and how I'll be trading this challenge too on this channel here. So if you want to see more updates about this, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, right? Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates, and also don't forget to share with someone who might be interested.